Franklin County, North Central Texas. Northern Franklin County, North Central Texas, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:40 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 5 miles south of Crum, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Denton, Sanger, Shady Shores, Crossroads, Krugerville, Real Roberts, Argyle, Bois, Aubrey, Little Elm, Prosper, Saline, and McKinney. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors, and avoid using corded telephones, unless it is an emergency. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Thursday evening for